Welcome back to the channel. Stretch your chicken skin so we can begin. Today we're learning how to mix gray paint. You just took the lid off. You see the top is got all the pigment. Just want to mix that up really good. You want to scoop from the bottom, get it up to the top and mix it. I like to go both directions. I appreciate a like, a subscription, and a comment. Trying to build the channel up. Want to mix it up real good. I got a lot of dots in here. That's the pigment and primer. Want to get all these dots out. Probably won't get them all out, but a good amount of them. It's a breezy day today. Yep, you keep mixing till you get out all these chunks in there. say that's good enough for today. Have a good one.